Water spots and streaks can ruin a perfect wash, but the right towel changes everything. Best car drying towels offer absorption, soft fibers, and quick drying performance to give you a spotless, streak-free finish every time you clean your vehicle. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. SMINDER Microfiber Car Drying Towel. SMINDER Microfiber Car Drying Towel stands out as a high-performance solution for anyone serious about achieving a flawless, streak-free finish after every wash. Built with advanced 1200 GSM microfiber and twisted loop technology, this towel delivers exceptional absorbency, capable of holding up to an entire gallon of water. That means you can dry a full vehicle quickly with minimal effort, often in just a single pass. The edgeless design adds another layer of protection, ensuring that even delicate paint finishes remain free from scratches or swirl marks during use. What makes this towel particularly effective is its balance between softness and performance. It glides smoothly across surfaces, lifting water efficiently without leaving behind streaks or spots. Whether you're working on a brand new car or maintaining an older vehicle, the towel adapts well to different finishes, including clear coats and polished surfaces. Additionally, its durability is a strong advantage. The towel is machine washable and designed to withstand repeated use without losing its absorbency or softness. Number 2. Blackline Street Car Drying Towel. Blackline Street Car Drying Towel is engineered for speed, efficiency, and consistent results, making it a dependable choice for both beginners and experienced detailers. Measuring a generous 2 feet by 3 feet, it provides excellent surface coverage, allowing you to dry large areas of your vehicle quickly. The twisted loop microfiber construction enhances its ability to absorb water efficiently, reportedly, holding up to a gallon, which significantly reduces the need for multiple towels. During the drying process, one of its most appealing features is how effortlessly it glides across the vehicle's surface. The soft microfiber ensures that the paint remains scratch-free while effectively picking up every drop of water. This combination of size and material makes it particularly useful for drying larger vehicles like SUVs and trucks. The towel is also designed to deliver a streak-free and spot-free finish, eliminating the need for additional wiping or touch-ups. Another advantage is its simplicity. Number 3. KKV 1400 GSM Car Drying Towel. KKV 1400 GSM Car Drying Towel is designed for those who want maximum coverage and superior absorbency in one product. With its oversized 48x24-inch dimensions, it provides significantly more surface area than standard towels, making it ideal for drying larger vehicles like SUVs without constant wringing. This added size translates directly into efficiency, allowing you to complete drying tasks faster and with fewer interruptions. The standout feature of this towel is its 1400 GSM microfiber construction combined with twisting yarn absorption technology. This design enables it to hold up to a gallon of water while maintaining a lightweight and easy-to-handle feel. The towel performs exceptionally well in delivering a streak-free and spotless finish, which is crucial for maintaining a vehicle's appearance after washing. In terms of safety, the towel features a seamless edge and ultra-soft texture, ensuring it remains gentle on all surfaces, including paint, glass, and protective wraps. Number 4. Singrune 1300 GSM Car Drying Towel. Singrune 1300 GSM Car Drying Towel delivers a strong combination of size, absorbency, and usability, making it a versatile option for everyday car care. Built with genuine 1300 GSM microfiber, it offers a thick and plush feel that translates into excellent water absorption. The twisted loop design ensures that water is quickly lifted from the surface, allowing for fast drying with minimal effort and leaving behind a streak-free finish. Its 24-inch by 36-inch size strikes a practical balance between coverage and control. It's large enough to handle cars, trucks, and SUVs efficiently, yet still manageable for single-person use without feeling bulky. This makes it especially convenient for users who prefer a towel that is easy to maneuver while still covering a decent surface area in each pass. Another notable advantage is the inclusion of a 2-pack, which adds flexibility to your detailing routine. Number 5. Chemical absorbent car drying towel. Chemical absorbent car drying towel, commonly known as the woolly mammoth drying towel, is designed for maximum absorbency and safe drying across a variety of vehicle surfaces. Its extra-large size, measuring 36 inches by 25 inches, allows it to cover more area in each pass, making the drying process faster and more efficient. This is particularly beneficial for larger vehicles where time and effort can quickly add up. The towel features thick, plush, microfiber fibers that can hold over a gallon of water, ensuring that you can dry an entire vehicle without needing to constantly wring it out. This high absorbency also contributes to a streak-free and spot-free finish, which is essential for maintaining a clean and polished look. The microfiber blend is gentle enough to be used on paint, glass, chrome, and plastic surfaces, reducing the risk of scratches or damage. Durability is another strong point. The towel is built to withstand repeated washing while retaining its softness. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.